Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing how we live and work. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is revolutionizing various sectors. Its ability to process vast amounts of data and make predictions with remarkable accuracy is transforming industries, making them more efficient and effective. One area where AI holds immense promise is infrastructure safety, particularly in dam monitoring and maintenance. AI's entry into dam safety is timely. Dams, crucial for water management, power generation, and flood control, require constant monitoring and assessment to ensure their structural integrity. However, traditional inspection methods can be time-consuming, labor-intensive, and sometimes even risky. AI offers a faster, safer, and more comprehensive approach to dam safety, heralding a new era of proactive risk management. The world's aging dam infrastructure faces increasing strain due to factors like climate change, urbanization, and deferred maintenance. This situation necessitates quick and reliable safety assessments to prevent catastrophic failures. Traditional inspection methods, while valuable, often involve lengthy on-site inspections, complex data analysis, and subjective interpretations. These factors can lead to delays in identifying potential problems, increasing the risk of accidents. The consequences of dam failure can be devastating, including loss of life, widespread property damage, and long-term environmental damage. The need for a faster, more efficient, and objective approach to dam safety is clear. AI, with its ability to analyze data in real time and generate accurate predictions, offers a compelling solution. The one-day AI dam test represents a paradigm shift in dam safety assessment. This innovative approach leverages the power of AI to analyze vast amounts of data collected from various sources, including sensors, drones, and satellite imagery, in a fraction of the time taken by traditional methods. The process begins with data acquisition. High-resolution images and sensor data, capturing parameters like water pressure, dam movement, and structural vibrations, are fed into an AI-powered system. This system, trained on historical data and sophisticated algorithms, analyzes the data for anomalies and potential weaknesses. The AI then generates a comprehensive report highlighting areas of concern, complete with risk assessments and recommended actions. This entire process, from data collection to report generation, can be completed within a single day, enabling swift decision-making. Section 4.